Okay, Adam, I'm making a YouTube video.
You could. What?
I'm making a YouTube video.
Okay.
Okay, sorry for it being dark in the hallway, but it's still dark. And look, there's my dog Chico.
Wow.
And here's my brother Adam.
Y'all can suck a dick.
And of course, if y'all might not have noticed, where is he at?
His ass is there, his head's on the other side.
Yes, if y'all see a little small gray butt, that's my son Toby. You know what?
Now hold up.
Here he is.
My penis can't go down. It can't
See?
go that much.
He is the cutest little thing.
But we could do
He is a cat squirrel. This week on Monday, my friend found him. Chico! Well, there goes my dog. It's sorry for it being bright right now. Chico! Who did this dog go off to? He's just chilling. Toby, what you doing? Toby, I can feel your claw on my shoulder. It's okay, baby. No, Toads. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yep, he loves his mama, even though she's a human being. Come on, Chico. Chico. See what I mean about he loves his mama? Chi. Even Adam loves little Toby. But apparently he wants to sleep on me right now.
Don't mess with him. Damn.
I'm not messing with him.
Bullshit, you get your hand on him.
Toby, don't chew on my bra.
Well, damn.
Yes. I only have to have another 2 hours to go to feed him. And that'll be all. And plus, he's the cutest little cat squirrel there is.
Gang. It's not gang, nigga. Yeah. West side, son.